Are you sneezing more often this autumn? Runny nose, itchy eyes, or that annoying cough that won't go away? You're not alone. Autumn allergies can make office life uncomfortable for many employees. But the good news is, with the right cleaning strategy, you can say goodbye to sneezes and hello to a healthier, fresher workspace. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FastKlean, and click the bell icon so you never miss our professional cleaning tips. Let's start with identifying the main triggers. Dust mites love warm, enclosed spaces like carpets and upholstery. Mold spores thrive in humid corners like bathrooms or kitchens, and pollen can easily sneak in through open windows or on clothing. Knowing what you're dealing with is the first step to keeping allergies under control. Next comes deep cleaning. Begin by dusting all surfaces, including desks, shelves, vents, and light fixtures, using a microfiber cloth. Schedule a professional carpet and upholstery clean, as these trap allergens more than you might think. Don't forget to clean air filters and ventilation systems regularly. Fresh air circulation is essential during colder months. Mold prevention is another key part of autumn cleaning. Check for damp spots, clean windowsills, and use mold-resistant cleaning products in high-moisture areas. If humidity is a problem, consider using dehumidifiers or keeping windows slightly open for ventilation. Another important factor: decluttering your office. The more clutter there is, the harder it is to clean effectively. Organized spaces collect less dust and make your team feel calmer and more focused. Finally, maintain clean windows and floors. Autumn rain often brings in mud and moisture, so place mats at entrances and clean windows to let in natural light and remove lingering pollen. With these steps, your office will feel fresher, cleaner, and healthier, helping everyone stay productive throughout the season. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to FastKlean for more professional cleaning advice every week. Stay clean, stay productive, and let's make this autumn allergy-free.